All right, y'all, we about to make a honey garlic chicken pasta. Let's go. 1 stick of butter. 3 pounds of that chicken breast now. Now hit it with that honey garlic seasoning now. Let's take a second to look how beautiful that butter is, y'all. Hit it with that black pepper. A little pinch of salt now. Go ahead on, zest 1 lemon, y'all. Throw half of it in the chicken now. The 5 cloves of garlic, y'all, half a cup of parsley. Go ahead on and mix that up good now. All right, y'all, 1.5 pounds that cooked fettuccine. The rest of that lemon zest, y'all. Now go ahead and squeeze that 1 lemon right up in there. 2 cans of artichoke heart, y'all. Take the juice out of 1. 16 ounces heavy whipping cream now. 12 ounces Parmesan cheese. Go ahead on now and get everything mixed up together. Real good. All right, y'all. Come check it out. All right, y'all. We're going to make some blackened alligator with some cheesy pasta, baby. Let's go. Half a stick of butter. 4 pounds of that alligator cubed up now. I hit it with my blackened seasoning now. And that salt and pepper. Now I'm going to go ahead and chill and let RJ get that alligator grilled up now. All right, y'all. Hit it with another stick of butter, baby. All right, y'all going to throw in some 2 pounds of cooked pasta. 16 ounces heavy whipping cream, y'all. 1 cup of mild cheddar, y'all. 1 cup, y'all, smoked Gouda with bacon now. 8 more ounces of that heavy cream now. Another half a stick of that garlic butter, baby. 1 lemon zested up now. 1 cup that fresh parsley now. 5 cloves fresh garlic. Go ahead with that alligator now, right in the hole, baby. Y'all go ahead and check my website out. Ralphthebaker W sauce on the market, baby. Hit it up. Squeeze out 1 lemon, baby. 1 cup that Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and mix it up real good. All right, baby, I'll check it out now. All right, y'all, I'm about to show you a good video, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all, go with them 2 pounds of crawfish tails. Hit it with my Cajun seasoning, that black pepper, and of course, that garlic powder now. Hit it up with some of that dry parsley. While them crawfish going, go 1 more stick. 2 pounds of them bow ties, y'all. Pint of that heavy whipping cream now. 10 ounces Parmesan cheese, y'all. Same season as we used earlier. Go with them all again. Go ahead on, y'all. Mix some crawfish in it, babe. Y'all check out that cheesy crawfish pasta now.